was chatting to my dad earlier and he asked me if I was joining the girl guides. Is it too much green? Heyo guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shay Quay for those of you who don't know, and we're back again with another real-time unboxing and review video. Now what we've got to open up today is something that's been so re-released that even Flavor Flavors believe in the hype, and this is a pair of the Yeezy slides in the colorway Onyx. Now since I already own a pair of slides, I've never felt the need to go ahead and pick up the Yeezy slides, but I've heard the comfort on these is A1, so I thought we might as well try these out. Let's jump into it. So like I mentioned, we only mess with real-time reviews on this channel, so I've got the box here straight from Adidas. Shout out to Adidas Confirm, because it's the only place I seem to ever be able to hit. So let's go ahead and pull this pull tab off. Why does it always hit me in the face? That's my bank account slapping me in the face, going, what are you doing? Oh, this is quite a cute box. This is hella little. So we're going to go over the box a little bit. I'm going to assume that the majority of people will have seen the Yeezy boxes, because if you have, they're all pretty much essentially the same. You're just going to get this plain cardboard box with whatever you have on top of the box. So these are a pair of slides, so it's finna say slides here. It's a pull drawer which just says Yeezy slide made by Adidas with all the branding. Then on the other side it just says Yeezy slide made by Adidas in that Onyx colorway, and it also has your sizing. Now like the foams, these do not come in half sizes, so if you're a half sizer like me in Yeezys, I'm a 5.5 always. I've sized up for a 6. For me, if in doubt with Yeezy, it's always better to go up because they do usually be on the tight side. Again then, tissue paper, super quick, another generic Yeezy thing, just plain. It's kind of in this off, it's not even brown, grey, I don't know, whatever colourway it is, paper. And it looks like these have been individually wrapped, so that's a nice little touch. They look a bit small, they do look small. Let's get into the details then, and for the eagle eyes, you're going to tell that Onyx essentially means black. So this is an all black slide. They're saying this comes in a monochrome finish. For the life of me, I can't remember what monochrome means, but it's kind of, I'll say it's more of like a matte black. It's not really shiny or nothing. It just is what it is. It's very minimalist, as Kanye always does. We kind of do have some grooves cut out here in the back. I don't know if that's for extra support or comfort. I'm guessing it is, because where your ball of the foot is here on the slide, it is slightly raised. I'm guessing that's there for comfort, and it has that Adidas 3-stripe branding. I am really like, I know Kanye likes to keep it simple, but that's it for branding. That's it. There's a tiny little Yeezy inside underneath here, but unless you're peering in with your eyeball, you're not finna see that. That's it for branding. I'm guessing at this point Kanye knows that he doesn't need to brand the shit out of his shit, because people are gonna look at that and be like, yeah, that's a Yeezy. Going more ahead into that toe box area, it does look small and it did worry me, but I did try these on and it's actually blessed. The way this sits on your foot, it's kind of like it's just been measured to your foot. It's a madness. So I wouldn't worry about that. It looks small, but it's a bit deceptive. Like, you're going to be blessed. You're not going to have a bust up toe in there. Heading onto the soles, you can see these rigid and serrated pieces. It's kind of a vibe. These are not only here for comfort, but it's for impact and durability. It looks like with these that they're not going to be durable, but I think it's quite deceptive, because I have my foams which are a lot less impact ready than these are, and I wear them out on road and they're blessed and they've like really like done me good. So I feel like these are going to be nice also. On the soles also, you can see this little mark, and again, like my foams, this is because this is a 1 mold kick, which means they kind of inject the EVA into this mold, and this is essentially what it comes out like. I don't know if, like the foams, these are also made of algae. I would assume so. I think these are the same material, but you will have to go ahead and fact check me on that. Jumping into size, and then these fit me blessed. Like, they literally feels like it's been just, it's like they've measured my foot, if I'm honest. Like, it just sits perfectly in there. Like I said, okay, let me explain this. I am normally a size 5. For Yeezys, I always go up half a size to a 5.5. These don't come in half sizes, so then I've upped again to a size 6, which essentially is the same thing. So I don't know if you are going to want to half a size it or just go for your regular Yeezy size. I know there was a lot of chat when these first came out, and I don't know if can you just fix the issue, or it was just one of those rumors on the internet that these were like a madness and you had to go 3 sizes big, or one shoe came one size, another shoe came the other. I don't know about that. For me personally, sticking to my OG true Yeezy size has been blessed. Now, I'm not going to hold you. I'm a little bit underwhelmed by these. I don't know if it's just because the hype and everyone's got a pair and you just have so much chat about it. Essentially, it's nice. It's a slide. It's an all black slide. I know that the comfort's going to be there. I feel like it's a bit of an essential. So, you know, go ahead and pick these up. I'm not saying anything bad against these, but I'm just saying don't expect to be wowed. People are going to come for me and be like, yeah, but the comfort. Fair enough. I feel like I got my foams and they have the same comfort and they have a bit more swag and wow factor. So maybe that's why I'm a bit underwhelmed by these. It's still nice. I'm not going to knock it, but it's essentially a slide. So I feel like I don't want to gas them up too much. And I'm going to give them a 6.8. Alright guys, so that's it for the little rundown of the Yeezy slides. As always, drop your thoughts and comments down below. Let me know, because I'm pretty sure I'm probably the last person who has picked up a pair of slides. So tell me how they've changed your life and how I'm an idiot. Please, that'd be blessed. Drop that down below. As always, you're welcome to come and find me on all other platforms. Type in @ShayCray and you're most likely to find me. Also, last but not least, don't forget to subscribe, because you want to be a swag god, right? And how else you going to be a swag god if you don't subscribe and know what's coming out? And yeah, I'm trying to put you on, bro. At least you could do is subscribe, innit? So until the next time, peace, love, and I'm out. Gucci flip flops. It's lit. Oh, as always with sleazies. That would be. Do you know what? Yeah. I feel like Kim Kardashian should come out with some called sleazies. That would be a vibe. These are also made with fuck. They're also made with fuck. The great new material. I want to be gassed, but I'm just not gassed. I hope people enjoyed that video. I swear, like, there must be 2 million reviews on this already, but this was really the first time I put in for some slides and I won. This is why I love Confirm. Like, Confirm, you got my back, bro. Respect.